The Awesome The Sound of Philadelphia International Records t-shirt is more than just a piece of clothing. It's a celebration of music history, culture, and timeless style. This t-shirt pays homage to the legendary Philadelphia International Records, a label that defined the sound of an era and brought us iconic artists like the O'Jays, Harold Melvin and Amp, the Blue Notes, and Patti LaBelle. The design captures the essence of the label's golden age, featuring bold, retro-inspired graphics that evoke the soulful vibes of the 1970s. Whether you're a die-hard fan of classic soul and R&B, or simply appreciate the cultural significance of this iconic record label, this t-shirt is a must-have addition to your wardrobe. Crafted with care and precision, this t-shirt is made from 100% premium cotton, ensuring a soft, breathable, and comfortable fit. The high-quality fabric feels gentle against the skin, making it perfect for all-day wear. Whether you're heading to a music festival, a casual outing, or just relaxing at home, this t-shirt offers unmatched comfort and durability. Awesome The Sound of Philadelphia International Records t-shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Rock the vibe with our awesome Philadelphia International Records t-shirt. Stay stylish and cozy with the awesome Philadelphia International Records sweatshirt. Rock the vibe with our awesome Philadelphia International Records tank top. Rock the vibe with our awesome Philly International Records ladies tee. Rock the vibe with our awesome Philadelphia International Records hoodie. The Awesome The Sound of Philadelphia International Records t-shirt cotton material is also easy to care for, retaining its shape and vibrant colors even after multiple washes. It's designed to be a long-lasting piece that you'll reach for time and time again. What sets this t-shirt apart is not just its design and material but also its authentic American craftsmanship. Proudly made in the United States, this reflects a commitment to quality and ethical manufacturing practices. By choosing this t-shirt, you're not only celebrating the rich legacy of Philadelphia International Records but also supporting local industries and skilled artisans. The attention to detail in every stitch and print showcases the dedication to creating a product that's as exceptional as the music it honors. Other product